Hi there. I'm sending this message to Bernardo Calderon, to the family, friends, and relatives of him. Please don't get mad at me. My purpose is just to let him know that I'm so proud to be his daughter, even if the relationship between him and my mother were not able to succeed. I just want you to know that I am very happy. I am very proud to be your daughter because you let me show the beauty of the world. I'm doing this because may emptiness na kasi ako nararamdaman. Though, may, married na ako, may 2 kids na, pero parang kulang pa rin. I'm turning 32 next year and still, ako kita nakikita. Pero, sana kahit marinig ulit yung boses mo. Kasi I don't know if you were the one who called me last 1998. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw nga ba yung tumawag sa akin o iba. Yun lang naman gusto ko eh. I'm not after yung sa financial assistance from you. Kasi may work naman na ako kahit pa paano nabubuhay ko naman yung family ko. Kahit breadwinner ako ngayon. Kasi walang trabaho yung asawa ko. Pero iba kasi yung pagmamahal ng tatay sa nanay. Sana, sa mga nakakakilala sa kanya, just let him know na kaya ko maghintay. Sana nga lang, hindi sa amin ang mauna sa buhay. Kasi kung nagkataong ganon, hindi na kami magkakaroon ng time to be with another. Para man lang mapunan yung mga years na hindi kami nagkasama. I love you pa.